The Apprentice Workshop is an opportunity for anyone who's doing their trade to come along and get stuck into the paperwork side of things, and it's probably the last thing they feel like doing when they get home from work. We provide laptops, internet and dinner, and just a learning environment, a place to get stuck in, a regular place to put your time into getting the paperwork component of your apprenticeship completed.
I come along to the Apprentice Workshops just because it's a dedicated time to do some paperwork.
Helps me after hours get my work all up to scratch.
At the end of the day, after work you don't want to go home and do some more work by yourself, so it just makes it easier.
It's good having other people you can bounce ideas off and ask for help.
We try and have a training provider come from each ITO on a monthly kind of basis, which they can provide more specialist support that's relevant to your particular trade. Complex calculus with the engineers, how motors work with the mechanics. We've seen guys stay in their trade that probably would have been let go because paperwork was not happening.
The biggest benefit for me with these workshops is that I keep on top of my targets.
Especially with busy weekends and playing a lot of footy and trainings and stuff.
Being around good people that are willing to help.
You definitely achieve a lot more and you have a completely different mindset to if you go home and you're trying to do all the study by yourself.
Good people to catch up with, talk with, work through some problems with. You know, you might even make a friend.
Definitely helped me get my apprenticeship done quicker.
From an employer's point of view, it's fantastic, and I think if anyone gets a chance to go down there and get their apprenticeship done.
The workshop is open from 4 till 7 p.m. here at Huinga, the Knowledge and Learning Hub. So if you're a business owner with an apprentice who may need a bit of a hand, if you're an apprentice who's finding the paperwork side of things a bit tough, give me a call and we'll see how we can help you.